Today, Governor Tom Wolf joined the business leaders and members of the General Assembly to celebrate efforts to reduce the state's corporate net income tax.
Yeah, the governor has been pushing for a reduction to the tax for years, and lawmakers were able to get it done in this year's budget. Erie News Now state capitol correspondent Brendan Scanlon picks up our coverage here tonight. He's joining us live from Harrisburg to share how this reduction, Brendan, can help attract more businesses and jobs, of course, to the Commonwealth. Good evening.
Mike and Eva, good evening. Yeah, just a few hours before Governor Wolf was up in Erie, he was in New York, not too far south of here, discussing the reduction of Pennsylvania's corporate net income tax. Of course, that goal, Eva, as you mentioned, is to attract more companies, more businesses, and create more good-paying jobs here in the Commonwealth, with the hopes that more companies will want to come and set up shop here in Pennsylvania. The gradual reduction to the corporate net income tax, which is currently the second highest corporate net income tax in the country, was recently finalized, as you said, in Wolf's budget, which was his last budget as governor.
The first year it goes down by 100 basis points from 9.99 to 8.99%, and then every year thereafter by 50 basis points a year till it gets down to 4.99%. It's $750 million reduction.
It's been a goal for the Wolf administration and business leaders for years.
We have languished for years because of an uncompetitive tax climate that hurt our investment and growth potential.
Reducing Pennsylvania's nearly 10% corporate net income tax to attract businesses and good-paying jobs.
The lower rate sends a strong signal to investors and job creators that Pennsylvania is once again open for business.
Pennsylvania Chamber of Business and Industry CEO Luke Bernstein says the state is now equipped with all the tools necessary to create a thriving economy.
World-class educational institutions, a prime geographic location, strong work ethic from the best workers in the country, and vast natural resources.
Lawmakers from both parties celebrating the reduction and say Pennsylvania can now live up to its name.
Seeing Pennsylvania return to being the keystone state of our nation, I believe this moves us in that direction.
By cutting the tax rates, we're going to create more revenue, which means we can provide more services to the citizens of the Commonwealth.
And this January is when we're going to see that reduction start to unfold, going from 9.99% down to 8.99%. Again, this January 2023. Governor Wolf and lawmakers today say this is the best time to move forward with this, given the state's massive surplus, around $10 or $11 billion. Reporting live in the state capitol for Erie News Now, I'm Brendan Scanlon. Mike and Eva, back to you.